How to fix brightness on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix brightness on Android phone. If your Android phone's brightness isn't working properly, here are several steps you can try to fix the issue. The first one is to turn off auto brightness or adaptive brightness. Auto brightness adjusts your screen based on lighting, but it can sometimes misbehave. So it's better to turn off auto brightness. For that, you will need to go to the settings of your device. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings page. Once you reach to the settings page, here you will need to scroll down to find display option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it and here now look for adaptive brightness option. If you are not able to find this option, then you may also tap on the search icon at the top right corner and then there search for adaptive brightness or auto brightness. Once you find this option, make sure the toggle button at the right side of it is turned off. If not, simply tap on the toggle button to turn it off. By doing so, you will be able to turn off auto brightness. Step 2 is to manually adjust the brightness. You may also swipe down from the top of your screen and once you find this brightness slider, you can use the slider to adjust the brightness manually. Step number 3 is to check power saving mode. Battery saver can lower brightness automatically. You may also scroll down from the top of your screen twice and there locate power saving option. Simply tap on it to disable it. If you are not able to find this icon in this page, then you can go to the settings first and here scroll down to find battery option. Once you get that, simply tap on it to open it and look for power saving option. Check if it is turned on. If it is turned on, then simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of it in order to turn it off. By doing so, you will be able to disable it. Now after following all of these steps, simply restart your mobile device by holding the power button and volume down button simultaneously to restart it. This will help you to clear the temporary glitches and solve your problem. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix brightness on Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.